And here's Steve to tell you all about standard deviation on a calculator.
All right, so actually I'm not going to do it on a calculator. I wanted to just give you an alternative if you don't have a TI calculator or a calculator that does statistical calculations or know how to do it. So I want to tell you about an app called Desmos. Okay, it's Desmos, and it's a free app that's available on the App Store for Apple or on the Google, whatever the Google Store, whatever they call it. All right, so when you download it, the tool, it has that little icon on your phone. I'm going to open it here, okay, and then it looks like this. It's really hard for me to work on my phone because I have sausage fingers. So I'm going to do, there is a web version as well, so I'm going to switch over to that and show you how to do calculations on that. Okay, we're going to calculate the standard deviation for Botswana as we did by hand earlier. Okay, so I'm going to use this data and I'm going to enter it into my Desmos calculator on my computer. So I'm going to switch over there. All right. And you can see you've got your regular calculator functions down here, okay? But there are also statistical functions you can use, okay? So I'm going to do functions, and then there's stats functions, and I'm going to do STDEV, that's standard deviation, okay? And then I'm just going to enter my data, okay? So you need a square bracket, and then you can enter your data separated by commas, so 63.5, 63.0, 62.7, 56.6, 52.5, 48.9, 46.5, 49.0, and 50.6. And you notice there it is. It immediately gave us our standard deviation of 6.79. That is the standard deviation we found by hand, right? Okay, previously. All right. Another thing to observe is if I look at the functions, it doesn't just give standard deviation, right? It also will do quartiles for you. That's useful, right? As well as the median. So if I just change this word standard deviation to median, 52.5, that was the median we found, right? And I can change it to quartile. Okay, and if I do that, I need to give it some more information. I have to tell it what quartile to look at. So if I want to do the first quartile, get to the end here. At the end of the square brackets, I'll put a comma 1 because I want the first quartile, and there it is, 48.95. That was the lower quartile that we found by hand. And if I put 3 there, it gives me the upper quartile, the third quartile, right? So a really nice tool. As I said, you can do it on your computer. You can see the link, desmos.com/calculator, if you want to use it online. But you can download the app on your phone as well.